see it's got that beautiful green flesh with the seeds all throughout it. If you take that piece of banana and the piece of kiwi, put them flesh sides together, you can then put it in a pot of soil, cover it by about an inch, and water it. It takes about a week for the healing process to occur, but then they begin to grow as one fruit. After about 2 weeks, it begins to sprout up above the surface of the dirt, growing just like a root vegetable. And then after about 3 weeks' time, it matures into a full fruit. When you harvest it then, you see it's got that protective peel of a banana, but when you cut into it, it's got the beautiful green flesh of the kiwi. The taste is a delicate balance of the two. It's wonderful sliced and placed on fruit salad, or even eaten on its own. This is an amazing way for you to combine all of those scraps and peels that you might otherwise throw away and grow a completely new garden. I do hope you'll give this project a try. Experiment with the clippings of fruits and vegetables you use every day to see what kind of plant hybrids you can create. Thank you so much for watching. I want to wish you a very happy April Fool's Day, and join me next time for an actual DIY.